On this video, we are going to model a ring using sweep 1 that has different sweep shapes. So you can have a profile that is not the same all the way around. So the previous ring we've created was just one profile going all the way around, whereas this one has a different profile at the top than at the bottom of the ring. So I'm going to hide this ring and model it from scratch, starting by the ring size M, so 16.8 diameter. And then on the right view, I'm going to draw the profile curve. So I'm going to start by drawing a circle from a diameter. So if I zoom in, I have my quadrant on and I'm going to type 2 millimeters. Now I want this circle to be at 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So what I'm going to do, there's different ways of doing this. I'm just going to use a polar array and the center is going to be on 0 and the number of items is going to be 4. And now I have 4 sweep sections, but I'm going to get rid of the top one because I want to draw a new one for the top. On the side view, I'm going to draw the top sweep shape, so just using an ellipse from a center point, this one here. So I'm doing 3.5 to one side and then 2 on the other direction. And then I'm going to move it to the quadrant. Then I'm just going to reshape a little bit the top. So just lifting it a little bit so it looks like that. So I'm going to do a sweep 1 now. So I'm clicking on sweep 1, is asking me to select the rail, and then the sweep shapes. Now that I have more than one, I'm going to select them in order, so either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I'm starting from the top and then here, 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 and then is asking me to drag seam point to adjust. So I'm going to click on the point, release, and then when it snaps onto the quadrant, I click again. Okay, so I'm doing the same for all of them. And then the arrows also have to be pointing to the same side. If they are not, what you do, you position the mouse on the side that you want them to point to and then click there. So I'm just going to do it to show you. Putting the mouse on the other side and clicking, and then you press enter. I'm going to do a close sweep because the computer doesn't know if I want to, to do a sweep in between the shapes or, all the way around the rail. So I'm just going to do close sweep and then global shape blending so it's nice and smooth, and press OK. And then you can see that you have a ring that has, different profiles across the ring, and you can just do it with a sweep 1. If you want to see other rings where you actually have to construct the profile with polylines or curves, just watch the next video. I'm going to do a D-shape ring.